The things which are required for making flower frame, these are:
On very first, take a hard cover and then apply solution tape. Like this. Take a tissue ribbon and cover its surface with it like this. Till end and then apply glue stick like this.
Take a foaming sheet and then trace a circle with the help of prakar like this. Then cut it prakar till end and fold it. Staple here, then here, then fold it and staple here, then also fold and staple. Keep watching. Then it is ready like this. Okay, like this. Take all flowers and then take this keep watching. Apply here like this, then green, keep watching. Take yellow flower, okay, take all flowers and then take this, keep watching. Apply here like this, then green, keep watching. Take yellow flower, okay, it is incomplete ready. Keep watching what I am doing next. With a thread, then some beads,
completed it. Then take this flower frame. Here we will tie like this, like this.
Now our flower frame is ready. You can see it is looking very beautiful. You can hang it in anywhere in your home. If you like our video, please comment and share. Thank you.